already on full for this one.
All these new ass rappers coming out with new ciphers. Don't forget about me, I'm the one who hold the title. All these new ass rappers, all these new ass rappers. Breaking news, my nigga, I been here for a little minute. I'm just chillin' like a villain. Ain't no rapper like me living. Hold on, wait, bro, let me get him. I'm not finished, I'm gon' kill him. All these new ass rappers sound so pissy, I'm so serious. Anybody wanna battle? I'm about business, bro, let's get it. Bear the witness of these lyrics. My shit should be making millions. Flow so ignorant, ain't no limit. Whenever a nigga rippin', I'm so gifted, can't prevent it. I'm different with every sentence. Straight menace to the city, they loving me in the building. It's official, need no whistle. I am music's definition. I'm on that mission, they can't forget me. They're admitting shade the sickest, she the thickest. I'm all in it, dove in her like I'm swimming. All these new ass rappers, all these new ass rappers. All these new ass rappers coming out with new ciphers. Don't forget about me, I'm the one who hold the title. All these new ass rappers, boy, it ain't no nigga like me. Please don't try me, I'm not psyching. I would just do you like Nike. Run around you like I'm hiking. You're a rookie fighting tights. Stand up gaming, I love that striking. Defensive end, should play for the Vikings. Shay go hard, let remember the Titans. Eat that cake, done lit that heist. And she so sweet and I'm not lying. Dressed like a pilot and she flying. She for dinner while I'm dining, constantly whining, we 69. I'm just honest, that was private. I'm about that vibes, but I'm moving silence. All these new ass rappers, boy, I swear they extra sloppy. I'm skating on them like hockey, I make them look extra garbage. All these rappers get demolished whenever I drop this knowledge. Young Shay is not the hardest in the game, I beg your pardon. Get me started, the flow retarded. I'm running shit like a person hard. Shay the hardest spitting artist ever lived on the market. Ride with this and make you car sick. Nigga can't drive, boy, nigga gotta park it. We need your army to start these Spartans. Rocket launchers while we marching. Team of killers on deck, cutthroat, living nasty. We stay smashing in the competition. That come up badly, let them have it. I'm straight acting it cause I'm a certified savage. Go and ask them, they'll tell you I'm on fire like I'm a drag. New ass rappers, new ass rappers, all these new ass rappers.